Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn about how to count the number of vowels present in the string which is entered by the user. Okay, you are going to get a input from the user, you are going to get a string from the user. Okay, it can be of any combination of letters, and you are going to count the number of vowels present in that, and you are going to display the number of vowels in that particular string. Okay, so now let us start our program. So I'm just getting the input directly. N is equal to input enter a string, and I'm just having a variable c is equal to 0, which will be the count variable. Okay, now I'm going to use for loop because I have to check each and every letter of the string entered by the user. Okay, for I in n, for every letter in n, if I, that particular, the first letter, I mean, based on the loop, it will start from first letter, right? First letter, second letter, third letter. If I in A-E-I-O-U. Here I have used both small letters and capital letters, that is lowercase and uppercase. When the user is entering the value, it can be in caps or small. Okay, so we are giving both the values. Okay, for every first letter, for every letter present in the string, you are checking whether that particular string is present in this particular string. Okay, if this condition is true, it will add c is equal to c plus 1. That's the reason here we are starting with 0. Okay, so c is equal to c plus 1. If that is not present, again it will go to the for loop. Then it will take the second character of that particular string. Then that will check with the second letter. Then it will check with the third letter. It will go to the loop, it will check the third letter, and it will add. If that is a vowel, it will add here, otherwise it will not add. Okay, and finally when it the entire string get ends, it will come out of the for loop and it will print total number of vowels are, and then it will print the c. Okay, now let me run the program. It is very simple program. Enter a string, so I'm just typing krish. Okay, so number of vowels present here are 1 because we have only I here. Okay, now let me run this program once again. Enter the string. Let us type info tick. Okay, now I'm pressing enter. Now we have 3. Okay, so let me run the program once again, and I'll type so let me type without any vowels. Okay, I'm pressing enter, and it says number of vowels present here are 0. And the same concept you can even use for consonants, and instead of vowels you will be typing the consonants. Okay, and suppose if you wanted to check both the things like vowels and consonants, we can have here like else. Let us have a d is equal to d plus 1, so it will show both vowels and consonants. Here I'm adding d is equal to 0, and again here print total number of consonants are, closing the quotation, comma d. Okay, so now I'm just saving this and I'm typing now mom. So it shows vowels 1 and consonants 2. Let us run this program once again. Now I am typing krish info tech. So here are the vowels and consonants present in this particular string. Okay, so that's it. This is how you can even make changes in this program. Okay, so hope you will understand the program. Thank you. Happy learning.